Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook original premium sausage. Begin by gathering your ingredients, including your preferred premium sausage, a drizzle of olive oil, and any desired seasonings. Make sure your sausages are completely thawed if they were previously frozen. This ensures even cooking and perfect texture. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. For a delicious pan-fried sausage, start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a sturdy pan over medium heat. Carefully place your sausages in the pan, ensuring they have enough space to cook properly without steaming. Cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning them often to achieve a beautiful, even browning all around. Always check the internal temperature, aiming for 160 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure they are perfectly cooked and safe to eat. Oven roasting offers an effortless way to cook your premium sausage with minimal fuss. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then arrange the sausages in a single layer on a baking sheet. Parchment paper works wonderfully for easy cleanup and prevents sticking. Roast them for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through ensures even cooking and beautiful browning. Confirm they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. Grilling imparts a fantastic smoky flavor, perfect for premium sausages. Preheat your grill to a medium-low heat, aiming for around 300 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent charring. Place the sausages directly on the grates, turning them every few minutes to achieve an even cook and desirable grill marks. Continue grilling for 18 to 25 minutes until a meat thermometer confirms an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This method guarantees a juicy and flavorful result everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.